Do I need to notify Ally Bank of international travel? Intro. Hey there, you're planning your dream vacation to a tropical paradise. You've booked your flights, packed your bags, and you're ready to go. Hook. But wait. Have you thought about your bank account? Specifically, your Ally Bank account? Do you need to let them know you're jetting off to a foreign land? Building context. Today, we're diving into that very question. Do I need to notify Ally Bank of international travel? It's a common query, and for good reason. Traveling abroad can sometimes lead to unexpected situations, and you want to be prepared. So, let's break down the key points you need to consider. Part 1. Understanding Ally Bank's policies. First things first, let's understand Ally Bank's specific policies regarding international travel. While they may not have a strict requirement to notify them beforehand, there are a few things you should be aware of. ATM usage. When using ATMs abroad, Ally Bank typically charges a foreign transaction fee. This is standard practice among most banks. However, it's always a good idea to check their current fee schedule. Currency exchange. If you need to exchange currency, Ally Bank might offer competitive rates. But it's worth comparing them to local exchange services, especially if you're staying in a popular tourist destination. Fraud protection. Ally Bank has robust fraud protection measures in place. If you suspect any unauthorized activity on your account while traveling, they're equipped to handle it promptly. Part 2. When to notify Ally Bank. While Ally Bank may not require you to notify them of your travel plans, there are specific situations where it might be prudent to do so. Extended travel. If you're planning to be away for an extended period, especially in regions with a history of political instability or natural disasters, it could be beneficial to inform Ally Bank. This way, they can monitor your account more closely and be prepared to assist if needed. High-risk activities. If your travels involve high-risk activities like adventure sports or exploring remote areas, it's a good idea to let your bank know. This can help them identify any unusual transactions that might be associated with these activities. Account changes. If you plan to make significant changes to your account, such as increasing your credit limit or opening a new account, it's always advisable to notify your bank beforehand, regardless of whether you're traveling. Part 3. Tips for safe international travel. Beyond notifying your bank, here are some additional tips to ensure a safe and hassle-free international trip. Inform your credit card companies. In addition to Ally Bank, inform your credit card companies of your travel plans. This will help prevent your cards from being flagged for potential fraud. Carry backup funds. Always carry a backup method of payment, such as traveler's checks or cash, in case your debit or credit cards are lost or stolen. Be mindful of scams. Be aware of common scams that target tourists, such as ATM skimming and pickpocketing. Exercise caution when using ATMs in public places and avoid carrying large amounts of cash. Research local customs. Familiarize yourself with local customs and laws to avoid any misunderstandings or legal issues. Stay connected. Keep in touch with friends and family back home to let them know you're safe and sound. Consider using a reliable international calling plan or messaging app. Conclusion. So, to answer the question, do I need to notify Ally Bank of international travel? While it's not strictly necessary, it can be helpful in certain situations, especially if you're planning extended travel or engaging in high-risk activities. By understanding Ally Bank's policies and taking proactive steps to protect your account, you can enjoy your travels with peace of mind. Call to action. Remember, if you have any specific concerns or questions about your Ally Bank account and international travel, don't hesitate to contact their customer service. They're there to assist you and ensure a smooth travel experience. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.